about organic farming. What is organic farming? It is a method of farming which excludes the use of artificial fertilizers, pesticides, and genetically modified seeds. Benefits: environment-friendly food, inexpensive process, healthier and tastier food. It has several components like natural fertilizers. As fertilizers, we could use vegetable scraps manure, green leaf manure, etc. Two, pesticides. As pesticides, we could use neem leaf extract, garlic leaf extract, etc. Third, animal husbandry. It should also be done organic so that chemical hormones are not injected into the animals just for more production. Plants should also be grown carefully and organically. Anyways, there's also another method called crop rotation. In crop rotation, the same crops different crops are grown on the same soil. For example, in this soil, tomatoes are grown, then harvested. When potatoes are grown, then harvested again. And something just goes like this. This is crop rotation. Some facts. Sikkim has been declared as the 100% producer of organic products. India has been ranked second in organic farming. To realize Vikshit Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat,